Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Gus and Karla here with the KGC Realty Group. We are your Dallas real estate agents. We help families just like yours relocate, buy, sell, and invest here in the Dallas area. Guys, today we're bringing you into this awesome, very unique custom home in the city of Nevada, Texas.
Yes.
Now, if you don't know where Nevada is, check out this little map that I'm gonna pop up right here. So this is a great community, great opportunity for you guys to get into one of these homes.
Yeah, so guys, we are standing in their model, which is the Madison floor plan.
Yeah.
And the Madison has 3,700 square feet. It's got 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, 3-car garage, and best of all,
You see that little door right
over there.
here?
So that whole little area right
whole
there,
area.
you guys, that's a mother-in-law suite.
Yeah.
Okay, complete with its own kitchen, own laundry room, and own entrance and living room.
Yeah.
Tons of things you can do with that. So this specific builder only builds in their own communities.
Yeah.
The biggest one is about 120, and they build on 1 acre lots.
Yep.
No
Nothing
HOA,
smaller.
and they're out of city limits. So if you wanted to rent that out and turn it into an Airbnb, you totally could, because it has its own entrance and it has a separate door to the inside of the house.
Yeah.
So also, if you have a mother-in-law, it's a great option for your mother-in-law.
Yeah.
So you guys, this floor plan is absolutely gorgeous. It's stunning. Their price ranges go from $600,000 all the way up to $1 million. And now keep in mind, all of their homes are built on 1 acre lots.
Yeah.
Here, you are just, a select few, but they have 3 lots left available. They're spec homes, so they're already built and planned out, but they have 3 available that you can sign today.
Yeah.
So if you are in the area and you're looking to move or relocate to the area and you love this farm style modern home, you've got the brick on the bottom, you've got the siding on the top.
Yeah.
It's a beautiful home.
Very nice. We're not too far off from Dallas, not too bad of a drive. If you guys work in Dallas, if you guys need to drive that way, it's not too bad of a drive.
It's a short commute.
Yeah.
And they are also building in Princeton, Van ALSTYNE, and just about 3 miles down from here, they've got another community that is building now.
Yeah.
So you guys, once these 3 lots are gone, they're gonna start phase 2, but in the fall.
Yeah.
But
those are going to take a little bit longer.
Yeah.
You can build from the ground up if you want, and you can pick everything that you guys want.
Yes, they have several floor plans.
Yeah.
Their largest floor plan is amazing. It's called the Rushmore, and it is 5,200 square feet.
Wow.
5,200 just on the inside. It has 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, and it has a 4-car garage. You guys, 4 cars. 4, not 3. 4-car garage, okay? And the best thing is that just 3 miles down the road, they've got another community that is building right now.
Yeah.
And like we said, they've got Princeton and Van Alstyne coming up, and then they've got the second phase here coming up in fall. So still great opportunities, you know, looking at time-wise. But if you guys are looking to move into one of these gorgeous homes here, and like I said, price-wise, you're getting, gosh, you guys, 5,200 square feet.
Yeah.
You can't beat that.
Yeah. All right, guys. So we're gonna go ahead and walk this beautiful model home, and I hope you enjoy it. Listen, if you guys have any questions at all, we would love to partner up with you, and this is why we do what we do. Okay, we wanna bring you great footages, and not just of any houses, but houses that are available right now. So we would love to partner up with you, lock arms, and represent you if you are interested in getting into one of these houses. So don't hesitate to reach out, guys. Our information is going to be right up here. You can text or you can call us, and you can email us as well. Our email information is going to be on the description of this video. So we would love to hear from you and answer any questions that you may have about this particular community, this particular home builder, this particular floor plan, or any other communities around the Dallas area. So.
Yes. guys, well, there you have it. We hope you enjoyed this video and this walkthrough of this beautiful home. Keep in mind, this builder is a smaller builder. They're family owned, and it really does show in their finished product.
Yeah.
The finishes are amazing and they reflect what they stand for. So it's a great builder.
Yeah. Again, guys, we would love to hear from you. So don't forget to like this video.
Yep.
Hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so. Hit that notification bell so you can get notified of all the videos that we post each and every week.
Drop a comment too.
Drop a comment. Let us know what was your favorite part of this walkthrough.
Yeah.
So I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.